and welcome to London, UK. We're in West Ham for the Baseball London series. So the Mets versus the Phillies, I believe, and I am sat on the Mets side, just draw of the tickets. So it is exactly as what you would find. The atmosphere, the stalls, everything is what you would find if you were in a match or a game as they call it in the USA. So it's very authentic in that sense. This is my first time, and so join me as I learn more about the game and have a day out. So without further ado, let's enjoy the game. I was quite surprised. What we would call half time, they have these competitions, and it's an eating competition. Who could eat the biggest hot dog or something? It's the sort of thing that you see in the movies, but to actually sit and watch it played on the stadium's big screen, it was just, I don't know, it was just surreal. And I was just thinking to myself, they really do this? I just thought it was something they do in the films, but they really do this, and this is fun entertainment for them. Wow, mind-boggling. At this point, I went for a wee walkabout to see what was on offer in terms of food. Nothing took my fancy, so I went back to the game to see what was going on.
He drives me bananas when he bats because he's windmilling the bat.
He's out.
I saw a guy walking.
Yeah, you're not like.
Number 9, Brendan
Oh, that's a good one. Ooh. Oh, it's not a good one.
Number 9, Whit
The two players on first base.
One's a coach. One's a coach. There's a first baseman from the other team, and there's a Mets coach.
Oh, it's a coach. Okay.
I wonder if you let the catcher.
10 seconds.
Right, but
They have to play. Oh, we've done it.
that is another ball. Since the balls are two, strikes are one. Outs are 0.
Alright, let's see what it does now.
Wow, 3, 2. What happened with that? Okay, I don't understand.
Let's go, Matt! 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 Let's go, Matt!
Now it says 3 balls, 2 strikes, and like in poker, that's called a full count. Full count. Because the next pitch, it's either going to be a
Mark,
walk
go!
or something's going to happen.
Oh, yeah!
It doesn't work.
But I think he did it on his first pitch. He did it on the first pitch.
The other guy caught it. He's out. He's out.
That would have been funny.
He's out.
So not right.
strikes, 2 outs. So if he
Right.
strikes, we're just our 2 men on base that just got wasted. This is it, guys. Called a full count.
So knockout is gone.
Number 10, J.T. Jones.
Oh yes.
I didn't say that's not. This is not a compliment. And I
Oh yes. Bases are full.
We don't get a chance to.
And just like that, if you blink, you would have missed it. The Mets win. So that was the end of it. I buy a baseball beer holder to drink beer from, say goodbye to my new American friends, and head home.
Yeah.